Hello! In this video, you will learn how to reset macOS Sequoia to factory settings to fix annoying issues or prepare it for sale. However, before resetting your macOS Sequoia by clicking on the Erase All Content and Settings button, you should backup your data to an external drive or cloud storage. Have your user account password, network password, Apple ID, and password handy if you want to set up your Mac yourself. Next, deactivate the licenses or serial numbers of third-party apps linked to the Mac you want to reset to factory settings. To reset your macOS Sequoia to factory settings, click the Apple icon and select System Settings. Then click on General in the sidebar and select Transfer and Reset. In the following step, click Erase All Content and Settings. Enter your administrator password, the password you use to log in to your Mac, and click Unlock. By clicking Continue, all settings, media, and data for all volumes on this Mac will be erased. The following items such as Apple ID, Bluetooth accessories, Find My, and Activation Lock will also be removed. To sign out of Apple Music, Podcast, TV, Apple News, App Store, and other services, enter your Apple ID password. This is the password you use to download or purchase apps on the App Store, and click Continue. Click Continue again. Finally, click Erase All Content and Settings. This is the final step and cannot be undone. After resetting macOS to factory settings, your Mac will boot into the Hello screen in multiple languages. If you want to use your Mac yourself, you need to go through the initial setup process, and you should have the password for your Apple ID and Wi-Fi handy. If you want to sell it or give it away to a family member, click the Apple icon in the top left corner and select Quit, or press the Command plus Q keys on your keyboard to exit the Setup Assistant. If you are looking for free apps to enhance your Mac's performance or security, click on More below this video to access the link to the tutorials. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.